In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do offline. If you travel, work in low connectivity areas, or just want peace of mind when the internet drops, Microsoft To Do can keep you productive. The key is setting it up correctly so your tasks are available on your device even without a connection. Start by opening Microsoft To Do while you do have internet and sign in with your Microsoft account. This first connection is important because it loads your existing lists and tasks and stores them locally on your device. Give it a moment to finish syncing so everything is fully cached. If you skip this step and go offline before signing in, the app may not have anything to show because nothing has been saved to your device yet. Once you're signed in and the data has synced, you're ready to work offline. You can open the app without internet and still see your lists and tasks, add new tasks, edit details like titles and notes, and mark items complete when you finish them. All of these changes are saved locally. If you're on a plane or in a dead zone, don't worry if the app shows an offline message. Keep working as usual. Your additions and edits are queued safely on your device, so you won't lose what you've done just because you're disconnected. When your device reconnects to the internet, Microsoft To Do automatically syncs everything you changed while offline. New tasks you created are uploaded, edits you made are applied, and completed items are checked off across your account. You don't need to press a special button. Give it a short moment and your phone, PC, and the web app will all match. If you bounce between devices, this is what keeps everything consistent. A couple of important tips will help you avoid hiccups. Don't sign out of the app while you're offline. If you sign out before your offline changes have synced, any unsynced data can be lost. It's best to wait until you're back online and you've given the app time to finish syncing before signing out. Also, keep Microsoft To Do updated to the latest version. Updates often include reliability and sync improvements, and older versions can sometimes run into issues when moving between offline and online states. That's it. Sign in once while connected, work confidently without internet, and let To Do sync it all when you're back online. Now you can stay organized anywhere, even when the signal doesn't.